is the Double Person Show. And I am going to call their names, and they are going to come up. They're twins. Okay. First up is Rosa Ayala.
Oh!
Hi. Right there.
Okay, so me and my twin sister are gonna fight. Boom, boom. Hey, let's fight this off fight.
No! Only her.
Okay, we're gonna fight. Me and my twin.
Okay, that's all the time we have for you. Next is Alex Ayala.
I got a big head.
Oh, kids! Here!
I can't. Teddy bear! Aldir's like this. Appropriate. Zia. Okay, come on. Wait, my butterfly. Look.
Now that was very inappropriate. Now his turn. No. Now. Turn. Good. Oh yeah, they're kissing good. Come on. Okay, now look. Yeah, baby. Yeah, they're kissing. Well, that is all for this show.
No, wait.
Okay.
I'm juggling.
Dum 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 dum. We were kissing each other. Yeah, we were doing it perfect. Also, Alex did it. You guys should watch this video over and over and over again. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
They are gonna go boom boom. Yeah, look here. You're not gonna be able to see it.
Thank you for watching this.
Boom boom boom.
Thank you for watching this. Jazia, Alex, and Aldir, and Rosa.
Video. Here, kiss a lot.
Mwah, 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 mwah.
Kiss it.